You have no gift.
Thanks.
Oh, and tell Antonio good luck. Last gift ceremony was a bummer. Last one being yours, that did not work.
Don't clap.
Thank you.
Oh, it's nothing.
A little sisterly advice. If you weren't always trying too hard, you wouldn't be in the way.
Actually, Isa, this is called helping. And I'm not in the way. You are. This present will self-destruct if you don't take it in 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Luisa.
Family.
Why am I in your vision, Bruno? Tia, jeez. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Shoo. Tia Pepa, if Bruno, if he had a vision about someone, what would it mean?
We don't talk about Bruno.
I know, it's just hypothetically, if he saw you.
Mirabel, please. We need to get ready for the Guzmans.
I just want to know if it was generally positive or like less positive.
It was an